Hi, I'm Subroto. I'm going to present this poster on automated drone detection using YOLO neural network. YOLO stands for You Only Look Once. There are two types of object detectors, namely single-stage object detector and two-stage object detector. In two-stage object detector, the algorithm splits an image into regions, therefore is slow and not real-time. On the other hand, in single-stage object detector, it does not split an image. Rather, it takes the whole image and passes the neural network. Therefore, it is fast and real-time. We choose to use YOLO version 4 because of its speed and accuracy. In fact, it outperforms its previous versions in terms of accuracy and speed. We use 2700 drones and 350 birds images. We collected this dataset using internet, in fact Google Images, YouTube and Kaggle. After 3000 iterations, we were able to achieve a mean average precision of 81.62%. MAP is an evaluation metric to determine the performance of any object detectors. The main motivation behind this work was that there is a rising potential of small drones being misused, especially by the hobbyist drone users, for various illegal activities such as drug smuggling, terror attacks, or even interference in emergency activities such as fire extinguishing, disaster response, or even drone can be flied in illegal areas or restricted zones such as prison or military base. In fact, according to Federal Aviation Administration, there are more than 492k recreational drone users are registered in USA by March 1st, 2021. Therefore, an automated drone detection system would be useful to prevent these kind of security breaches. In YOLO version 4 architecture, there are three parts. In the first part, they call it CSP Darknet 53, which basically extracts the feature from the images and build a feature map. For example, for our case, it may extract the drone wings from the drone images. And then there is a SPPP block, which basically fix the dimension of the images which comes from the first block and pass its output to the second block. The second block basically combines the features to make it into a real image and pass the output to the final layer or the detection layer. The detection layer basically outputs the bounding box accuracy and the class names, and in addition it does one more thing: it downsample the whole image into a smaller dimension to make it real time. We split our whole experiment into four parts mainly. In the first part, we had to manually level the whole data set, and then we had to fine-tune our YOLO version 4 model. For example, we had to change the class names, class number, maximum batches. We had to choose the GPU. We use the Tesla T4 GPU. Then we trained this fine-tuned YOLO version 4 model for 8 to 12 hours, and we use this trained model to test the images, and we got the results. Here are few of the results are shown. For example, you can see this high altitude drones being detected by our classifier easily, and it also displays the class name, which is drone, with its class probability 0.82, and also it is able to detect various species of birds as well. Therefore, we can say that our classifier is capable of detecting drones with precise bounding boxes and class probabilities. Our future work in our future work, we will increase the image dataset, also training time. We will also test the whole neural network against our own dataset. Thank you.